So Anne Lord and I have been working on a zine, putting a zine together for the people of Llwyncelyn in Porth. And it's titled, There's a Crater on Mars called Porth, Mae 'na gaw go'r enw Porth ar fawrth. And we were really fascinated with the idea, well, the fact that there is a crater called Porth on Mars. And got a little illustration here of Cwtsh Brown as an astronaut, and another astronaut illustration by a local young artist, Lauren Phelps. And some photography that I've been doing in the area, and also some poetry by Anne as well.
Mars. Red planet, dead planet. Earth's nearest neighbour, though so far away. Mountains high, chasms deep, no life, fast asleep. Dusty planet, rusty planet, spinning through the universe. Perhaps we'll visit someday.